Hey, today we're looking at our heater in our camper. The fan blows, but it won't cut on. Everything on the internet says it's the sail switch. Okay, we've got an Starcraft travelstar 186RD little camper with an Atwood 7920-II-2 heater. So the first thing we're going to do to get the Atwood 7920 out is we're going to take the front cover off, which is simply turning this little here, pops right off. That's our new sail switch. Got it for 20 bucks on Amazon. Got to take this off. Got to take this off. Pull it out. So you've got the front plate off. You've got these screws out that are holding it in place, and it still doesn't want to move. You've got to come around out here to your exterior exhaust. You've got to bend all these things down in order to get it to go through back into the wall. As far as I know, the sail switch gonna come in on the right side, and I was able to pull it out. They give enough slack, I think, that I can get the job done. Enough slack with wires and the gas line without disconnecting anything. Thank you, Starcraft. And I'm gonna pull that stuff apart and we'll find where the sail switch goes. Okay, this has been a lot of fun. So I've had to label and remove all wire clips, take out this whole section. This is laying on its side this way. So pull out that whole thing, and it actually ends up being this little thing right here. So I think you can just pull the sail switch out of the blue wires right there. Glad to do all this for y'all. So blue wires go to the sail switch, pull it out. It's on the bottom right hand side. So replacing it, there's box. That's where we got it all from. There's the sail switch. This one apparently is going to work better than this one. All right. Beautiful. So the conclusion I came to is that could have just taken this off to get to the two blue wires that are going to the sail switch. All right, we're ready to test out. Turn our gas back on. We are in the green. Let's get the gas flowing. We're going to see, let's start. Don't smell anything yet. There we go. All right, let's try these. Let me try this one. Excellent. We've got gas flow. All right, same lines, close to the same lines going to the heater. Let's turn these off and give the heater a try. Okay, here we go. So now that we're running, we're gonna have to tap this stuff back into place so that we can replace our heat vent. While I get this thing tapped in here, let me just not forget to tell you that the heater will not ignite fully until you get the exhaust valve back on there. It needs the back pressure. So a little hammer, tap, 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 and it's not pretty, but that's back in place. Gotta go get the, what is it? It's called thumb gum, I think, is the putty they put around there. I think I gotta go to Home Depot. So here we go. So the heat is on. We got one problem fixed. So I'm Big Joe. I'm 1/4 of the Mighty Oaks travel trailer, towing, camper, boat, what have you, extravaganza of things we've had gone wrong. Hope we can help you fix something in the future or do something better camping. Until then, go Mighty Oaks. We'll see you then.